Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off large display mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to turn it off? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu here, and under visibility enhancements at the top we have display modes. Right now we have large display. We have short explanation what does it do. So font size and screen zoom are increased, bold font and highlight buttons are turned on. We can go back to default, or we can simply change these options right here. But we want to go back to default, so to turn off large display mode, apply, and now we have our default display. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.